Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to give you my update on the battery backup on the Realme X2 Pro device. So I've been using this Realme X2 Pro device for the past couple of days. So let me show you the battery statistics. And throughout this time, I'm using only with a single SIM, not with a dual SIM. And most of the time I'll be using with the mobile data connected, and usually I'll connect to the Wi-Fi whenever I can after coming to home. As you can see, I have used for 2 days and 17 hours. I did last charge to 100% 2 days ago, and I got a screen on time around 4 hours. So these are 4 hours including the watching the YouTube videos and the loudspeaker, because the Realme X2 Pro has a dual speaker. So I used to play only the video songs in the loudspeaker mode, and a couple of voice calls and the WhatsApp calls, and that including everything with the medium usage, not with the heavy usage. So if you include the medium usage, you can get 2 days, and with the heavy usage you can get 1 day, and with the normal usage you can get easily up to 3 days without any trouble. So even the standby mode is very good. There is not much in the battery draining in the Realme X2 Pro device. So overall the battery standby of the Realme X2 Pro is very good. There is no problem at all. So these are the statistics with the power saving mode disabled. So just imagine if you just enable the power saving mode, and you can get more battery life. And let me show you the refresh rate of what I'm using every time. So throughout my test I'll be using only with the 90 Hz refresh rate, and the things are much better if you're using 90 Hz, and there is not even much in terms of the battery drain as well in the device. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends, and don't forget to check the playlist of Realme X2 Pro device in the description. See you in the next video friends. Bye.